Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves your vehicle's air quality and HVAC performance. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a new cabin air filter, a screwdriver, a small vacuum, and a clean cloth. Safety glasses are also a good idea to protect your eyes from any dust or debris during the process. Most cabin air filters are conveniently located behind the passenger side glove box. Begin by opening your glove box and emptying everything inside. Next, carefully disconnect the small damper arm, usually found on the right side. Now, gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward, allowing it to drop down and reveal the filter housing cover. This cover protects the filter from the elements. With the housing exposed, unclip or unscrew the cover to open it. Now, carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out. Be mindful of any accumulated debris, as it can fall into the blower motor. Take a moment to observe the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Finally, use a small vacuum to clean out any dust or leaves from the filter housing. Now, compare your new cabin air filter to the old one to confirm they are the same. Slide the new filter into the housing, making sure the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, typically downwards. Securely reattach the filter housing cover. Finally, lift the glove box back into place, reconnect the damper arm, and close it. Enjoy cleaner, fresher air in your vehicle for many months to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.